are from Lasken Block. Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya or FASTOM has resumed the indefinite strike, demanding enhancement of salary and a stable annual increment since Tuesday. The teachers continued their protest for the second night camping in front of the Secretariat in Shillong. Similar agitation has also resumed in Tura. Support has poured in from various quarters for the agitating teachers. BJP legislator A.L. Haq met the agitating FASTOM teachers yesterday and assured to raise their issues at the BJP National Executive meeting. Leader of opposition Mukul Sangma also met the teachers and extended the support of his party, the All India Trinamool Congress. Angela Rangat from Thamau Rangli Juki and Workers' Power of Meghalaya also extended their solidarity with the struggling school teachers who have been forced to camp out in front of the Secretariat. She said the teachers' protests are to be seen as a sign of larger malaise in the education sector of Meghalaya.
We have realized that we have to come back to the streets. So since yesterday we have been sleeping here, and this will continue indefinitely until and unless we get a formal notification from the government.
All there with the teachers, we are going to fight till the demand is met. When has to be governing, no. When we are governing, we not meet the genuine demand of the teachers. What for we are governing?
It is indeed very unfortunate that once again teachers have to hit the streets under the banner of FASTOM to demand a pay hike, something which this government should have thought about long ago, even before they demanded for it.
When all three cabinet meetings are over, we have not seen our demands are taken up in the cabinet. So again we have decided that because of the failure of the government to fulfill our demands, we will continue our agitation